And while NATO is meeting right here in Chicago, they're doing a deal to buy $1 billion worth of drones from the United States. So right now, we've got people that are sitting in nice, comfortable chairs in Air Force bases, like in Creech Air Force Base, pressing a kill button to kill people 10,000 miles away in Afghanistan, or killing people in Pakistan, or in Yemen, or in Somalia. And the Israelis are working with the United States, and the Israelis, as somebody just said, are using these killer drones to kill the people of Gaza. So what does Boeing have to do with this? Well, Boeing is trying to take the technology one step further. They say, okay, why have pilots sitting 10,000 miles away when you can pre-program these killing machines and they won't even need a pilot anywhere? And who wins in this perpetual violence? Boeing! Shame on 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 Boeing! The terrorists are the ones that are systematically racist, homophobic, transphobic on a daily basis! Of Chicago, and we will continue to expose this hypocrisy, this contradiction done at a mass level. Alright, so I'm going to make this real quick, and let's be honest. The media's going to pretend like they don't know why we're here. They're going to pretend like they don't know shit. Fuck all you media! Fuck all the corporate media! Okay? But let's be real honest. Let's be honest though. Look, we have... Look, let's be honest. We have lobbyists from Boeing paying off the politicians, paying to vote to go to war. Now they don't vote, they just go to war. The only solution is global revolution.
Boeing is part of the war machine.
Boeing is part of the war machine.
And today we shut them down.
And today we shut them down.
Mike check. The nonviolence that we practice, that victory shall be ours. And of course, free ponies for everybody! Thank you.
This is a message to the people of Chicago.
This is a message to the people of Chicago.
The media calls us dirty hippies.
The media calls us dirty hippies.
The media calls us college dropouts.
The media calls us college dropouts.
The media calls us trust fund babies.
The media calls us trust fund babies.
But we know better.
But we know better.
We are the future.
We are the future.
And we are here for you people of Chicago.
We are here for you people of Chicago.
I would like to remind the people of Chicago that Boeing does not have to pay property taxes for 20 years. How are your property taxes? Are they high? Do you work your ass off to pay the property taxes?
Do you work your fucking ass off to pay the property taxes?
Boeing doesn't give a shit.
Boeing doesn't give a shit.
Boeing laughs at you.
Boeing laughs at you.
While they kill innocents around the world.
While they kill innocents around the world.
People of Chicago.
People of Chicago.
We are here for you.
We are here for you.
Please come to our side.
Please come to our side.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you guys ready to march?
Yeah!
streets! That way! Let's move!
Our streets! Our streets! Our streets! Our streets!